The justices and just local folks, they're all asking what would happen if the Trump administration were allowed, even temporarily, to deny citizenship to people born to those in the United States illegally. Well, the local sentiment, not now, never. 2 hours of oral arguments brought out D.C. protesters at issue how enforcement moves forward on the Birthright Citizenship executive order. Justices on the High Court signaled they'll likely uphold the block as legal challenges play out. Massachusetts Attorney General Andrea Campbell.
That this is not only unlawful action by the president, but that he does not have the power through an executive order to dismantle the 14th Amendment and especially birthright citizenship.
A coalition of local immigrant justice organizations rallying against the presence of ICE in Massachusetts also support the lower courts currently blocking the president's executive order.
It's ridiculous. I'm the daughter of immigrants. I was born in this country. I'm a U.S. citizen, and the idea that other children who might be born in this country under similar circumstances to me could lose that citizenship is terrifying to think about.
We are creating undue burdens on people. I come from a background in public health, and I think about the impact of stress on people's well-being.
The Supreme Court is deciding if lower courts can issue nationwide stays on the executive action, which, if upheld, means those born to illegal immigrants or visitors would not automatically be Americans at birth.
We need our leaders to have some common sense and to protect our Constitution.
If they can dismantle the 14th Amendment in our Constitution, they can also dismantle the other rights and privileges afforded our residents. First Amendment, Second Amendment, you name it.
And the Supreme Court will have a decision in the coming weeks. Live at the Massachusetts State House, Rondella Richardson, WCBB News Center 5.